Hey darlings, Allison Kay here. Today we're going to chat about unlocking the power of the middle. Where would our marketing be without the almighty funnel, right? And I know that inverted triangle is probably burned into your brain cells. But are you glossing over the most important part of it? For service-based businesses, the top and bottom of the funnel tend to be a little easier to conceptualize and track. But there's a part I know you've been avoiding, darlings, and that's the middle. So to help you remember how important that whole part is, let me show you something. Okay, here we go. Derek, don't put anything dumb in this. It's an educational, serious video, Derek. Fix it, fix it, fix it. Okay, that's better. So here we have our traditional marketing funnel, right? The top of the funnel, or TOFU, is understood as the entry point for your target audience to engage in your marketing. Creating awareness is really comfy for a lot of us here. We're happy to see website visits, activity in social media, or people listening to our podcasts. Things feel good here and simple. And we can also easily attach numbers to all of those moments, and that gives us a sense of satisfaction. Feels so nice. There's also the bottom of the funnel, or BOFU. And the bottom is that sexy bit, of course, because you're going to make money or impact. So you create content that gets to the heart of the sale or whatever your marketing goal is. This conversion is also easy to measure. A no-brainer. But what about all this stuff in the middle? Where's the love for this sweet, sweet MOFU? This is where marketing gets fuzzy for a lot of us, and I understand why. You might think at first that there's not much measurable action happening at this stage compared to others. But I'd argue that the MOFU is where all the action's at. So okay, think of MOFU like your abs. Okay, I mean, I don't have a six-pack you can see, but underneath my soft bits is a powerhouse core, which I strengthen day by day with Pilates. Even if I can't see immediate results, my hard work is improving my core, and thus my whole body benefits. And it's the exact same thing for a funnel, darlings. The key is exercise like interest and consideration. Those strengthen your MOFU, which in turn will help strengthen your BOFU. It's during the MOFU that you offer what your target audience needs to verify their interest, so that you can nurture them towards considering you as an option for conversion, all the while deepening their relationship to your brand. So let's build up your MOFU, mofo! To determine interest, you can create lead magnets that pull people into your email marketing, SEO content addressing pain points or transformations people are seeking. And don't be generic about this. Get specific on unique things your audience is looking for, because see, we're past the TOFU stuff. Or create webinars that deepen their knowledge about the topic and show off your expertise. Moving along to consideration, show up with testimonials or reviews to prove what you offer is indeed awesome, answer specific FAQs and address objections to clear concerns, and run retargeting ads to remind people what they were looking at. Notice how I mentioned a mix of marketing channels? See, that's the secret sauce here, darlings. Like most things, a holistic approach yields better results. And most marketing channels can be applied to any stage of the funnel, especially SEO and email marketing, which are the real MVPs for funnels, if you ask me. So now that we have a newfound appreciation for the midriff of our marketing, let's do some exercises. Drop and give me 20. No? Not really feeling it? Okay. How about something more creative? I want you to draw your current funnel to the best of your ability. Seems obvious, but being able to visualize where all of your marketing activity fits together can be super helpful, especially for the middle. Don't overthink it, just get something rough down. If it's helpful, you could actually start from the bottom and then work your way up. Might be easier. Now, look at your little masterpiece and answer the following questions. Do you have something in each stage of the funnel? Yes, some items could fit in multiple stages of your funnel, but I want you to make a decision and pick one for this exercise. If you can't, that might be a sign that you're a little bit muddled about your funnel. No shame, happens to all of us. This is just something that you might want to prioritize. Or if you have gaps, then you'd want to prioritize filling those in. One hot tip here, if you're crunched for time or resources, deprioritize TOFU, the top of the funnel bit. From content writing to optimizing your website, TOFU is not as high a priority in terms of tweaking stages. This is because it's so far away from conversion and intent, you're just better off tweaking the lower stages first. Anywho, if you are content with your funnel, darlings, we ain't done yet. The next question is, how will you track results through the stages? TOFU and BOFU will be fairly obvious, but for MOFU, consider things like open and click-through rates in email marketing, site visits from retargeting ads, and attendee versus sign-up ratios from your webinars. Now remember, the further down people travel, the smaller the funnel becomes. You'll have less prospects in your funnel as they move along, because you're narrowing in on specifics that just won't resonate with everyone. That's why we call it a marketing funnel and not a marketing tunnel. Expect people to fall out of it. For insight on what good conversion numbers are, check out this video. See, now the middle doesn't look so muddled, does it? In fact, I think I see a new six-pack forming on you already with this new MOFU knowledge. Want to keep hitting the marketing gym with me? Darlins, I got a whole selection of resources that are free that'll help you with any part of your marketing funnel. Just click the link in the description below. Until next time, keep flexing your marketing muscles, darlings. See ya.